Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create data stores in the Slack app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Slack app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our channels and direct messages. From here we just have to tap on a channel, then tap on connect apps. And here, after the app has redirected us, we just go into the top right corner and tap on the parallel lines, then on build. Here, we just scroll down, and under deploy ideas faster, at the bottom, we find data stores. If you tap on this, we are presented with the steps and the way that we can create a data store in the Slack app. And after we have gone through these indications and applied everything, we can create our own data store and streamline our Slack workflow. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.